Hi guys, just wanted to let you know that we've now got aperture cards in stock, and they've got like a linen finish, so but they cut perfectly for the A6 work. They are tight, but I'll show you how I work with them. This is a picture that you've seen done in one of the one colour challenge setups, so we're going to mount that up as a greetings card. The price on the website for the cards includes the envelope as well. I think it might even include the postage, how we've done that one. So I've turned it over so I've got the smooth side, and then what you have to remember when you put these in is where the top edge of your card is and the bottom edge of your card. So I'm going to put my top edge there, and there's various ways to fasten your work into these things, but I always use what I found to be quite good is this thick tape. Sorry if there's a bit of background noise, there's some work going on outside and they're being a bit noisy at the minute. So it's a really nice thick double-sided tape. And I'm literally doing all four sides. They're available in packs, 50 and 100 I think on the website, and there will also be some in due course. There'll be some for A7 size work, so half the size. When you've put two of your pieces in, remember to peel the backing strip off. If you've not got nails or you're struggling with that, you can buy a card making tool called a pokey tool, or you can use your scribing tool. The edge of that will just catch it and so if you look, I proper go over the edge of mine. Once they're in here, to be fair, they're in. They're pretty much in and done. Make sure you're working in a nice clean area. Make sure you've put something down that's nice and clean. Then, because I want these to be properly stuck down, I'm just going to put another couple of little pieces right on the edge, and you'd have pre-polished your card and also tret it with the wax sealer before you got to this stage. And I know some of you will think, oh, this is a bit boring, Brian, watching you make a greetings card, but people have actually requested, how do you do them? Right, the top of the card is here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this piece in, that will cover all that, and then this piece here will be where you'd write the message for the person. So I'm going to actually spin it round a quarter now, fold on my line. They're all pre-scored for you. Right. All pre-scored. Smooth it down. And yes, the amount of times I have done it wrong, you will, because we all do. And fold them the wrong way. There we go. One greetings card. That'll stand. And then you can put your details on the back, on a sticker, in the corner perhaps, or in the middle, or wherever you choose. You can write your message inside the card, and like I say, it comes with the appropriate size envelope. And we also sell the clear cellophane bags in which to protect your work if you're selling at craft fairs and that sort of thing, or want to just store them for a while but want to be able to see the imagery that's on your cards. Hope that's helpful, and again, you'll find those products on the website. Thank you very much. If you've not already subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe.